So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Windows key is not working on your laptop or computers. Now, in order to fix that, just first of all, make sure that that is not a hardware issue. Now, even if it's not a hardware issue and if it's still not working, all you need to do is to just simply open the task manager. You can easily open the task manager just by right clicking on the start menu and just by right clicking on the start menu, and here you'll see this option of task manager. Just simply open the task manager, and here you just simply need to restart the process of Windows Explorer right there. Now once you do that, just simply give it a restart. It will restart all the Windows Explorer processes, and now if you again press the start key, it will definitely start working. And if does not, just simply give a restart to your laptop or computer. It will definitely gonna solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.